Hi traders, welcome back. This video is part of the Trading Basics series, and in this one we are looking at how to use the MT4 platform. I will be going through the basic functionality of the platform. I will be using MetaTrader 4 as I think this is the best platform for new traders, and most brokers offer this platform with their accounts. Where can I download MetaTrader 4? To download MetaTrader 4, you can go to 4xpip.com and download it from there. Once that's done and you've opened the platform, it will ask for the login details for your real or demo account if you have them. Alternatively, there should be an option to set up a new account if you don't already have one. Open a real or demo account, and all I do is complete the forms and hit next. Once you've done that and logged in, you should see the bars in the bottom right corner go green to show you are connected to the live price feed. How to change the chart options? Now you have the platform installed and opened, the next thing I will to go over is how to change the chart options. As you can see on my platform, I have a range bar chart with a green and black color scheme. The first thing I want to change is the chart type to a candlestick chart. I can do this by either clicking the chart and then clicking the candlestick button. Or I can right-click on the chart, go to Properties, then click the Common tab and select Candlesticks. Then press OK. How to read the current market price? There are a few ways to read what price the market is currently trading at. The first is to just look at the price axis on the chart, and the current trading price will be highlighted. Alternatively, you can use the Market Watch window, as this shows the bid and the ask prices for all the markets on the list. If the window isn't showing, you can simply click the Market Watch button and this will appear. Lastly, you can show the one-click trading buttons and you will be able to see the bid and ask price on each chart. To do this, simply click the small black arrow in the top left corner of each chart. If you want to hide them again, simply press the arrow again. To open a chart of a different market, we need the Market Watch window. Again, if this isn't already open, you can open it by clicking the Market Watch button on the quick bar at the top of the platform. This window shows a long list of all the markets we can look at. Simply right-click on the market you want to look at and press Chart Window, and a chart will open up. How to change the chart time frame? To change the time frame of a chart, we can either right-click on it and go to Time Frames, then select the time frame we want to view. Or we can use the time frame quick bar at the top of the platform to quickly choose a different time frame. All you do is click the chart to want to change and then click the time frame button you want. You can also zoom in and out on a chart. Again, this can be done by either right-clicking on the chart and then pressing either zoom in or zoom out. Or you can use the zoom quick bar buttons at the top of the platform. How to scroll back on the chart? To scroll back on a chart, you simply left-click on the chart, hold and drag it across. To move backwards, you may notice that the chart keeps jumping back to the present time, and this happens every time the current price changes. To turn this off so you can scroll back without being interrupted by price changes, simply press the button with two axes with a little green play button. If you want to turn this feature back on, simply press the button again. How to enter a trade? You can enter a trade by clicking the New Order button on the quick bar at the top of the platform. A little dialog box will open asking for more details about the position you want to open. You simply select the market you want to trade from the drop-down, set the position size in the volume box, set a take-profit level and a stop level if you want to, and if not, leave blank. And lastly, choose what order type you want. Then press Buy or Sell to execute the order. You can also quickly enter a trade by using the one-click trade buttons we looked at earlier. To turn them on, go to Tools on the quick bar, then press Options. Then check one-click trading, agree to the terms if you are happy and press OK. The buttons will then be added to your charts. To use them, simply enter the position size you want in the little box and click either buy or sell, and your trade will be executed straight away. Any open trades you have will be displayed in the terminal window at the bottom of your platform. If this window isn't open, simply press the terminal button on the quick bar at the top of the platform. Then press the Trade tab on the terminal window and your open trades will be displayed there. To close a trade immediately, you can click the little cross at the right side of the trade entry in the terminal window. You can also close a trade by setting a stop-loss level or a take-profit level. To add or edit these levels, double-click the box for either on the trade entry in the terminal window and a dialog box will open. Then simply enter the level you want each to be at and press Modify. These levels will then be shown on your chart. You can view all your past completed trades by clicking on the Account History tab in the terminal window. That wraps up this video. I hope you have found it useful. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to drop a like on it. If you have any questions or want me to cover any other topics in future videos, please let me know in the comments below. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. I will be continuing this Trading Basics series to provide new traders with all the knowledge they need to get started. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a good trading week.